Welcome to Design Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of culinary creativity as you delve into innovative kitchen concepts that redefine the heart of your home. Our focus extends beyond the ordinary, placing a spotlight on exquisite cabinet designs that seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetics. Discover a myriad of organizational tips designed to streamline your kitchen space, making every utensil and ingredient easily accessible, and dive into the world of inspiring ideas that breathe life into the creation of unique kitchen concepts, transforming them from mere storage solution into captivating focal points. Let your culinary heaven reflect your personality and style with our curated collection of innovative kitchen concepts. From sleek modern design to timeless classics, our explanation of kitchen cabinet ideas caters to diverse any tastes and preferences. Unleash your imagination and reimagine your kitchen spaces as a canvas for artistic expression, where each cabinet becomes a testament to your individuality with the fusion of form and function. Our innovative approach ensures that the kitchen not only serves its purpose but becomes a sanctuary of inspiration and creativity. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.